Okay, Bryce, doing the cinnamon challenge, but using cocoa powder. Okay, ready, Bryce?
Not really.
Go. Face the camera. Smile. Smile for the camera. Keep facing the
Dude. My God. Ow. That hurt my teeth.
Gagging in here.
Ah.
Smile. Smile pretty for the camera. Oh, that looks yummy. Delicious. Oh, you have to put the water on it. Delicious.
What's wrong with you? You throwing up? Oh, this? You trying to eat this?
It sticks to your teeth.
It's all over your teeth. Pretty.
How did that guy do that?
I don't know. Come on. Smile. Let him,
Oh, it's still
let
there.
him get a glimpse. Let him get a glimpse.
Huh?
Oh, spit out the water. Smile.
Spit.
Smile. See, is it still on there?
Probably.
It's all on your lips right there. It didn't work. Yeah, it's still right there.
That's not impossible. It just tastes like sucky.
Pretty. Delicious.
Tastes like butt sack.
So, would you say you completed that, or no?
Mm-hmm.
It's still all on your mouth.
That was so easy.
You think that worked? So, when you went into this challenge, did you think you would beat it?
Not really, but I was kind of.
Did you think it would taste that bad?
No.
Did you think it would harden up like it did?
Maybe. Oh, that tastes like chicken.
Now, this is what we used. Like I said, we didn't have any cinnamon. We used cocoa powder. And he's still drinking water. Still trying to get it out of your mouth?
No, it's gone now.
Okay. Want to do it again?
No. It got all of my teeth. I'm like stuck. And then if you like try to taste it, it's like death or something.
Ever think you'll do it again?
No.
Think you'll ever do it to prank somebody? That looks delicious. Okay. Stop messing with the water.